Take a look at this viral video with 70 million views. It was created entirely using AI. You've probably noticed that videos like these are blowing up lately on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these micro camera animal videos completely for free in just a few minutes using AI. If you watch until the end, you will learn exactly how to make this type of content, so you can start creating your own and find success. So let's dive right into the video. The first step is to open Chat-GPT. To save you time, I've already provided a very detailed prompt in the video description below. All you need to do is click the link, and it will take you to a Google Doc file, where you'll find the prompt you need to create your video. The first thing you need to do is copy the entire prompt. Then, go back to Chat-GPT and paste it there. After that, click Enter. Immediately, Chat-GPT will understand exactly what you want, and it will automatically generate a list of 15 insects or small animals. Okay, now you can choose any one of them. If you want to create a video about something that isn't on the list, you can simply type the name directly, and it will still work without any issues. In this tutorial, we're creating a black garden ant video. You can see black garden ant appears as number 15 on the list. Just type 15 and click Send. If you want to create a different insect or animal, you can simply reply with its name instead. As soon as you click Send, Chat-GPT will generate one image prompt for creating the initial image and 5 motion prompts for video generation. Okay, first we'll create the image, and then we'll use those motion prompts to generate the video. For both image and video generation, we'll use the free version of Grok AI. So, go ahead to Grok AI and click the Imagine section. Then, copy the full image prompt from Chat-GPT and paste it into the Type to Imagine box. Select Image, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio, and then click Generate. After a few seconds, you'll get a lot of highly detailed images. Then, click on the one image that you like the most. To animate it, click on the Make Video button. Now, go back to Chat-GPT. Copy the first motion prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Make sure the aspect ratio is still 9:16. Then click Generate. You'll now get a video. If you like the result, you can continue. If you don't, you can simply regenerate it without worrying about limits. Once you're satisfied with the video, upscale it. After the upscaling is complete, click on the Extend Video option. Then, go back to Chat-GPT, copy the next motion prompt, paste it, and generate again. This will seamlessly extend your video while maintaining the highest quality. Follow the same process for all the remaining motion prompts. Each time, upscale the video, extend from the last frame, paste the next prompt, and generate again. After completing all the prompts, you'll have your final video ready. Just upscale the final output and download it to your device. I'm not showing how to add background music or how to import and export the video because that would only waste your time. And that's it. That's how you can create micro camera animal videos using AI completely for free. Now, it's your turn to try it and start creating your own videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.